Okay, have a moment to laugh at the posing of the hose. All done? Good. I need somewhere to hold it. This is a vacuum cleaner hose, so low pressure suction hose, and on the end is a 3D printed low pressure hose connector. And here I have another one. It is actually an early revision because the little latch broke off one side. It is a genderless connector. If I just line them up, push them in, click, it latches. And if I carefully pull, or not so carefully pull, it unlatches. As you see, the design is based on these two interlocking plates. So it's not completely airtight, but it's airtight enough to use for your low pressure hose for a small dust extractor or something of that nature. This particular one is to be used for connecting a laboratory zero friction hover tray on the air cushion, I don't know what it's called, that's used for demonstrating basic physics concepts in the science classroom. I do need to make a few more revisions, but fundamentally I think that design is sound.